Squawk!
Open it. Wanna open it?
You want to open the milk?
Open this top.
What are you going to do with that milk?
Open cup milk.
What are you going to do with the milk?
Open top.
Okay, what are you going to do with it? Dos manos.
She's right herself.
Dos manos.
Himself.
Okay, dos manos. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K.
There's milk on the shirt.
Oh, did you spill it? That's okay.
There's milk on the shirt.
That's okay. Drink your milk. Okay, see, that doesn't feel very good, does it? All right, let's clean it up.